Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you what a zip file is and how to create one. So a zip file is basically a folder where things are compressed and everything is grouped together, and you can extract it so files get smaller because the file gets compressed. And that's in layman terms what it's really about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a note here, and I'm going to do it in Notepad. Yeah, I'm doing it in Notepad. And dang, I'm trying to open up Notepad, but everything but Notepad is opening up. I'm gonna say hello techies. That's y'all, right? All right, I'm gonna save file. I'm gonna save in downloads. You know, why not? Why not? Why not? All right, I'm gonna save there. And I'm gonna open up File Explorer. Okay, and you can do this anywhere. So you can create a zip file out of everything. So I'm just gonna go to downloads. So I already have, the file right there. I already have the file download, just the file or whatever. You can do it at any point. So I'm gonna right click the background, right? And then I'm gonna go to new, and then one of the files, right, is going to be your WinZip file. So it should have just been, it's going to be zip. Yes, it's going to be zip. I think I have WinRAR, so that's why it's saying that. Let me just double check to confirm. Okay, yeah, so it's just going to be a zip, and then we're going to name it first zip, like folder, I guess. First zip folder. And then we're going to drag that file. It doesn't have to be the text file, but I created. I'm just going to put it into the zip folder, okay? And then now, this zip folder right now has the file. So now you have your first one. It's compressed. Now unpack size is 19 megabits. So that's pretty cool. So you can extract it just like any other file that you do. We just dropped it. I just duplicated a duplicated of the duplicator of the file. So yeah, but now you made your first zip file in your first zip folder. Congrats, and give yourself a hand. But there you go. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.